Good morning, good morning. Okay, so part one of my cooking videos today for YouTube is buttered chicken or buttered chicken drumsticks. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what I've done. So in there, in there is 2 kilos of Australian buttered chicken from Aldi's and 2 jars of buttered chicken sauce. So 2 jars of Patak's buttered chicken mild. So I'm cooking that and today in the crock pot, and I will show you guys tonight when it's all cooked how it's doing. So I'm going to have it on for a couple of hours on high because I slept in a bit, and so a couple of hours on high and then put it on low. Yeah, so that's number 1 video, and I'll do more videos when I do some more cooking. Okay, anyway, like I always say, please subscribe, comment and like if you liked this video. Okay, bye.